Okay, for the unit 1, which is getting ready for work. Now, let's try to see what we can do as a laundry attendant. Being a laundry attendant may be a separate job of the hotel where you can really be just every hour of the day, you will be doing all the tasks of a laundry attendant. Otherwise, it would be a portion of the job of a guest room attendant. So, what are then the responsibilities of a laundry attendant? Having the laundry of our guest clothes is very, very important. Because once we committed a mistake, wow, we will be spending so much, just like what happened to one laundry attendant when she washed the clothes, and the clothes became as small as that of a handkerchief, and she had to pay about 10,000 pesos and even more. So we have to be really focused on our responsibilities.